How to diagnose a faulty brake controller. Have you ever wondered how to tell if your brake controller is working properly? A faulty brake controller can lead to serious issues while towing a trailer. Let's break down the steps to diagnose this problem effectively. First, check for any error messages on your truck's display. Many modern trucks will show warnings like "Check trailer brake wiring" or "Trailer brake disconnected." These alerts often indicate electrical faults, such as shorts or open circuits. Next, it is time to test the brake output. Grab a multimeter and set it to measure direct current voltage. Connect the probes to the brake controller's output wires, which are usually blue. Activate the brakes manually using the controller or the brake pedal. If the controller is functioning, you should see a reading of 12 volts when engaged. Now, let's measure the current draw. Switch your multimeter to amperage mode and connect it in series between the controller and the brake magnets. A healthy system typically draws between 2 amps per brake, though this can vary depending on the trailer size. If you see readings that are abnormally high or low, it could mean there are faulty magnets or wiring issues. It is also important to inspect the trailer wiring. Look for frayed wires, corroded connectors, or loose grounds at the trailer plug and brake assemblies. You can test continuity between the truck's plug and the trailer brakes using the multimeter's ohm meter setting. To simulate a load, connect a 6-ohm 50-watt resistor across the brake output wires. If the truck recognizes this load, the controller is likely functional. If not, there may be a problem with the controller or the truck's wiring. Next, check the brake magnets. Disconnect the magnet wires at the trailer hub and test the resistance. A normal reading is between 3 to 6 ohms per magnet. Readings below 2 ohms indicate a short circuit, while infinite resistance means there is an open circuit. For heavy-duty trucks, be aware of high-current faults. Shorts or overloads can trigger safety cutoffs in modern controllers, which disable brake output until the issue is resolved. If you have an electric over hydraulic trailer, ensure the controller's voltage output matches the trailer's pump requirements. Lastly, check for adjustment issues. Worn brake shoes or improper gaps between the magnets and drums can reduce braking efficiency, mimicking controller faults. If you encounter intermittent issues, loose connections might be the cause. Make sure to secure all terminals and inspect wire insulation. If you find that the controller's gain settings are incorrect, reset them according to the trailer's weight. Incorrect calibration can reduce braking force. For complex systems, consider using heavy-duty diagnostic scanners to access specific brake controller codes, which can help pinpoint faults. Always verify both truck and trailer components. In 18-wheelers, prioritize checking the serviceability of relays and fuses in the truck's trailer wiring circuit, as these often fail under high loads. If problems persist, it may be wise to consult a commercial vehicle electrician to avoid downtime or safety hazards.